Welcome to February 1st, the second month of the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge, and we have decided to change Taco Thursday to Ramen Thursday. So, we are going to start making ramen. Right now, we have 4 cups of water. All right, we're going to add some Better Than Bouillon chicken bouillon base. Why? Because I am not putting in the packets that came with the ramen because there's MSG in it and I can't do it. Next thing we're going to add is some freeze-dried onions to let those reconstitute, and some freeze-dried orange and green bell peppers, because why not? We have a nice rolling boil that we can't stir away, and it looks like the onions and the peppers are nice and hydrated. So what we're going to do, we got 2 servings here. We're going to drop those ramen noodles in. And like I said, we're not going to use the packets, but we are using, just got that everywhere. We're using the Top Ramen chicken. So we have about, 30 of these in the house, and we need to get rid of them. So here we go. Get these a couple little stirs just to get it incorporated, and then we'll come back here in just a second and get those separated so they cook all the way. It only takes about a couple minutes to do this, so we'll be right back. The noodles are at the right texture. So what we're going to do now is we're going to carry this over here and we're going to assemble. You guys can do this any way you want to. I think I'm going to take the noodles. Oh, those look good. And they smell good. Let's get the noodles out of here and get them in the bottom of the bowl. Now remember, this is 2 servings. This is a ton of noodles. Let's see how to do. Ooh, it's hot. Now to jazz this up, we are going to go and we're going to put some actual canned chicken in. Because remember, we're still on Pantry Challenge, so let's do some. I already drained this, so we're going to put some canned chicken right there. That's enough for 2 people, I think. And then we're going to, don't tell anybody, but I had some tofu I needed to get rid of. So I grilled it, and this actually tastes really good. So this is grilled tofu. What's cool about tofu is it pretty much takes on the flavor of whatever you grill it with. A little rice vinegar, olive oil, and coconut aminos. And it tastes really good. And it's got the crunchy bits on it. It actually tastes pretty good. I'm definitely not a tofu fan, but this is like, that looks good. We'll leave that alone. Okay. Then we're going to take, this is, I don't know if you guys have ever had this, but this is seaweed. And this is a sea salt. And it's so good. You wouldn't think that seaweed, roasted seaweed would taste good, but this stuff I like. So we're going to take these sheets and just kind of give it a little, make them into sheets. They're not going to be perfect, and that's okay. And it's going to go good with the chicken. This type of seaweed is really, really light in flavor. And if you get the sea salt version, it like doesn't take over the dish. So you're going to like that. Just try it. You don't like it, don't do it again. Okay, these are chia seeds. We're going to jazz it up with some chia seeds. And then we are also going to jazz it up with some sesame seeds. Couldn't find the black sesame seeds, so we're using the white ones. And if you can't do sesame seeds, don't do it. So this is taking literally 50-cent ramen and making it fancy. We should do this for Fancy Friday. Duh. All right. That was hot, so I'm going to do this. Oh, come on, little noodle. Now, so it looks good. Now we're going to pour the broth back over, and I'm going to focus on the chicken because that's cold. All right. Good enough. Dude. Let's get those out of the way. Oh my word. Take a picture of that. Tell me you wouldn't eat that. Okay. So, instead of Taco Thursday, Ramen Thursday.